How to delete saved passwords from Google Password Manager. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and click on Google. After you click on Google in here, simply click on your profile at the top. After you click on your profile, it will show you this page. In here, click on Manage your Google account. After you click on Manage your Google account, click on Password Manager, Security and Sign In. After you click on it, scroll down in here and click on Password Manager. After that, you will find all your passwords that are saved. Now, simply click on it. After you click on the password that is saved to delete, at the bottom, click on Delete. After you click on Delete, the password will be deleted. This is how to delete saved password from Google Password Manager. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.